Hey, what time it is? It's time to make money. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to start affiliate marketing in 30 days. This is $1 million blueprint. If you use it correctly, you're going to make more money ever in your life. Okay, so again, first things first, a lot of people don't talk about this thing is mindset. Okay, mindset is the most important things. Your thoughts turn into emotions, your emotions turn into action. Okay, I would say mindset is 85% of the work, and the rest 15% is creating a landing page, thinking about the strategy. A lot of people miss this. Okay, mindset is important, mindset is everything. If you believe, you would achieve. Okay, again, the reason why you're watching this video is because you're not successful, right? And people who are successful, they know about this thing. Mindset is important. Okay, your attitude. Okay, always keep a learning mindset and just do it. Okay, you buy any course in the world, okay, it won't teach you until unless you do it. Okay, so just take action. Fail, okay, that's how you learn. And if you fail, learn from your mistakes, and that's it. Okay, no course will teach you. If like the best thing is just failing and learning from it. Okay, so mindset is really important. 85% is mindset, and the rest is just your tools to set up and everything. So just remember, okay, get up in the morning, set up your goals, believe in yourself, because you, you like when you think about it, you can make $1 million in a month, but you cannot accept it, right? Your mind cannot accept it, but you can make it. So mindset, you need to change your mindset. Okay, it took me a long while to change my mindset, and still there are times you need to train. As they say, you have a monkey brain. Okay, so there are different, like this prefrontal cortex and there's the other brain. Okay, so you need to train your mind that you are going to be successful. Okay, so mindset is really important. And then the next thing is just take action. Okay, whether it's one video, let me give you an example. Okay, you don't even need a website. Okay, you can promote on YouTube, you can promote on Facebook, you can promote on TikTok, you can promote on Instagram. Okay, I'm gonna show you an example after the slides get over. Just one video a day for next 30 days. Okay, this is how at least your mind will open, and this will open up different channels for you. Okay, and just research. Okay, first research about your topic. Like, let's say for example, you're doing about weight loss or fat loss. Okay, so first research. Okay, for the next 1 or 2 hours, just research what does your, or if you're promoting weight loss offer, why would someone buy your product, or why would people buy a certain product? Okay, are they women, are they men, where are they most, are they on Instagram, they're on Facebook, they're on TikTok? Once you do the research, second thing which you need to do is plan out your content. Okay, which could be, again, you could use YouTube, you could use Facebook, you could use Instagram, and you don't even need a website. You post a YouTube video and you can put a link on the comments. You post on Instagram, you could say go click on the link in the bio. Same thing with TikTok. And for the next 30 days, one video a day for the next 30 days. And I'm going to show you an example as well. So you could look at this lady, Taylor Hustle. So again, what she does was she's just posting on TikTok every day. Okay, so that's her a TikTok. She's not even doing anything, she's posting, and then there's a link in the bio where you click over here, and then it opens up to an affiliate link. But now she got much more, she has evolved. So now what she's doing is she's trying to create her own free guide on how to make 10K per month online, and how she made money with Amazon. And if I go on her Instagram as well, let me go. uh it's opening, right? Yeah, so it's all about, so okay, how do you make 10K a month, and there would be affiliate links, right? So that's how she made around $10,000 a month just by posting videos, one video a day. Okay, so you could do that as well. Literally, just for the next 30 days, post one video a day. It could be on Instagram, it could be on TikTok. If you don't want to show your face, what you could do is you can write Pinterest as well. So I'll write Pinterest. Could post images, but the best way is to showcase your face. And then sky is the limit. Once you have a list of subscribers, once you have the audience, once you have the attention, literally you could sell your own product. Okay, so that's the goal, where you can sell your own product as well, the way she is doing it right now. I can give you thousands of example as well. Okay, once you get the attention, then that's how you start selling things up. So again, this is a 30-day affiliate marketing guide. This is a blueprint, sky's the limit. But I hope you get the point. Mindset is important. Just, you don't even need a website, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. All you need to do is just research for the next 30 days. Dedicate yourself, create one video a day for the next 30 days, and then you can literally put anything your niche. If your niche is about making money online, you could do that as well. For the next 30 days, just make videos and content about it, and trust me, you're going to make a sale. And I hope you really like this video, and let me know in comments if you want such kind of videos, so I would start creating more of these. And as I always say, guys, what time it is, it's time to make money, and I want every one of y'all to be really successful, start making money, support your family, be happy. And if you really like this video, please consider subscribing. And Yavar Khan signing off.